On 26 January 1950, Indian Constitution came into force. After 1 month, on 15th March of 1950, Planning Commission was set up. On 1st April of 1951, the planning era of India started. 1951 to 1956 was the time of first 5-year plan. 5-year plans are set up in order to boost up the economic prosperity for the development of nation and for being self-reliant. After the end of British rule in India, India was economically weak. In order to be economically standard, India need a proper planning. So, India adopted the system of 5-year plans in India. 5-year plans were borrowed from USSR as Russia began the 5-year plan in 1928. Joseph Stalin was the leader who initiated the system of 5-year plans. Now let's look at the first 5-year plan of India. It was mainly focused at the agriculture sector, which was the primary sector, and it was based on the Harod Damor model. The first 5-year plan was chaired by the first Prime Minister of India, who was Jawaharlal Nehru, and it was drafted by K.N. Raj. Also, 5 IITs were inaugurated during the first 5-year plan, which was funded by UGC. Overall, first 5-year plan was a success as 2.1% growth was expected, but we were able to achieve 3.6% growth. Now we can look at the second 5-year plan. As first 5-year plan was successful, India started believing in the 5-year plan system, and second 5-year plan was brought from 1956. India expected greater goals in second 5-year plans. The second 5-year plan was from the period of 1956 to 1961. It was heavily relying on greater industries. The second 5-year plan was based on Mahalanobis model, and P.C. Mahalanobis is a statistician who founded Indian Institute of Statistics. If agriculture was the main aim of first 5-year plan, industrialization was the main aim of second 5-year plan. Second 5-year plan was a failure as 4.5% of growth was targeted but only could achieve 4.27% of growth. India built many hydroelectric plants and steel plants with the help of UK, USSR and West Germany during the second 5-year plan. Rourkela, Durgapur and Bhilai were the steel plants that were set up during the second 5-year plan. It was built with the help of Russia, Germany and UK. And many dams like Bakranangal were also built during this period. Now let's look at the third 5-year plan, which was from 1961 to 1966. In India, the third 5-year plan was mainly focused on the economic development and per capita income. Sukhmoy Chakrabarti model was the model of the third 5-year plan. Road construction, panchayat election and state secondary board establishment were some of the features of the third 5-year plan. Third 5-year plan was also a failure as India could only achieve 2.4%. One of the main reasons of failure of third 5-year plan was the war, Sino-Indian war, and the pressure from the side of China and both from the side of Pakistan was escalating and India couldn't achieve the target. After the continuous failure of 5-year plan, India established planned holidays. From 1966 to 69, there were 3 planned holidays. The main reason is economic devaluation and war, which forced India to enter into the planned holidays with small annual goals.